Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch Fit, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Moto Watch application, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Moto Watch application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we can tap on watch, and you should see your Moto Watch Fit right here on the watch page, and under it there should be watch faces category. You can tap on it to open the watch faces page, and here you can tap on more watch faces, and you have different categories you can browse through to find something you like. And once you find it, you can tap on the watch face, tap on add, and it will start downloading and applying on your watch. As you can see, it was applied, and that's how you add additional watch faces or download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.